This is not helping my sunglass session. Obsession. Obsession. I just want to tell you that this is how I'm walking right now, and I'm terrified of you. Like, I'm already in pain.
You make yourself sore, but you drove over an hour to see me.
Yeah.
One more. That's good. Nice and steady with your knees on the way down. Control. Full push. So on your push-up, pull your shoulders down your back a little more. Try to get a little deeper. Goes out. Good. So think of it as an actual row when you pick it up. Row it.
So, I don't really think you have to earn your stay here by mopping the floors. I'm pretty sure you can just stay as a hotel guest. Kira over here cleaning the floors. Oh my goodness, she wants me to do that. So, what was supposed to be an hour workout turned into a 2-hour workout because look who's in town. What's it gonna be like if you move here? I mean, I'm kind of terrified. Like this, 2 hours. Oh God.